Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. If you're new, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you so much. This is an Ivar shelf from Ikea. I didn't buy it on Ikea. We have several like these Facebook groups where people are giving away stuff for free. What I'm gonna do now is take it apart, clean it up, and then I'm gonna build it for the hallway. You're gonna join me there also. Then I'm gonna build it for the hallway so I can put stuff here. And so hopefully the result, if I have been planning it just right, the result will be that the hallway will be looking a little bit more clean compared to how it looks now. Especially in the part of the hallway where the table is and this door is where you have the fuses box. So what I'm gonna start with now is take my screwdriver and remove these wood parts that technically don't belong to the shelf. I gotta take it apart, clean it up, and then rebuild it. And as you can see, this is not really stable, but the good part is I have this X. And this X is something that you kind of here. Technically, you do it here or here. You attach it like this. You attach it with screws. And after that, with this X, you cannot really move it like that. So now I'm gonna pick up the screwdriver and remove these ones, and when I do that, I feel that I should clean it a little bit first because I'm afraid that if I remove these, it will fall apart. What I'm laughing at is that it's supposed to be these ones for the shelves, and here it's not like that. They have put a screw with the plug. But no harm, we can fix this. So I'm guessing if I remove those, I can attach the X, the silver one, because here is different screws. There is the same. What I'm thinking of is that I can reuse those screws. That means this is the front here, and that also means that I want to lift up that shelf a little bit up, because as you can see on those shelves, I don't know if you can see it, only if you can see here, I want some space between the floor and the first shelf. And the reason, much easier to clean, so you don't need to take everything apart. Something like this. And then just like that. And this is the finished result. So far, I'm quite satisfied and happy about it. It's very much more clean like this. Before, I just had a table here and all these things were on the table and it looked messy. So for this moment, it's finished with this shelf, Ivar shelf from Ikea. How can I say? So far I'm quite satisfied with it. And most of all, it's for free. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel today. And please don't forget, if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.